Imagine this. You spent months building an amazing software with Java or C Sharp. It is feature rich, polished, and ready to launch. But then piracy hits. Users start sharing your application for free, cracks, and subscriptions that aren't renewing. That sucks, right? Now, what if I told you there's a better way to secure your application, manage recurring subscriptions effortlessly, and get paid without headaches? Meet Phoenix, the ultimate cloud-based licensing solution for Java and C# standalone applications. Before we dive into the demo, I'm Vishwakalhara, a software engineering undergraduate and the developer behind Phoenix. First, let's talk about how the whole system works. So this is the whole platform, and these are the applications that you are building. So it could be a Java application or a C# application. Alright, to integrate Phoenix with your application, you need to install the relevant package and provide some configuration to it, and then the library and the platform will take care of everything. I mean, everything means including verifying the users, verifying the subscriptions, and tracking your payments, etc. So without talking further, let's integrate Phoenix to your Java application. So I'll go to the Phoenix web portal. You can use the link in the description down below, and I'll get started right now and sign in with GitHub. Alright, so I'll create a new app called demo, and the plan name is let's say basic plan, and the subscription is valid for 30 days and the amount is, let's say, $5.99. Alright, and create application. Okay, so now you can see there's a quick guide that you can follow along to integrate Phoenix with C# or Java. Alright, but at the time that I'm recording this Java integration, this video, the C# library is in development, but within the next couple of weeks it will be out. Alright, so I'll switch to Java. For this demo, I'll use a Java Maven application. So this is a newly created application. All I did other than that was assign my Stripe secret to a constant inside this config class and imported it statically to the main class. Alright, that's it. So to get started, I'll open the pom.xml and we have to install the dependency. So I'll open the dependencies tag, and inside of that I'll copy this one right here and paste it. So I'll give a maven reload. Yeah, now the package is installed. So let's close this. Okay, so first of all, I'll initialize a new object of Phoenix, new Phoenix client handler, and then now you can see the constructors are all loaded. Alright, so in this demo we'll use the first one. So first of all, we have to pass the API key. Alright, to get the API key, I'll head back to the portal, and you can see this button right here with the key icon, and here we can copy the API key to our clipboard. Okay, so I'll paste it right here, and this is a bearer token, so you have to put bearer right here, and then the second argument is the app ID. Alright, so to grab the app ID, I'll go to the settings of the application that we created, and I'll copy to clipboard and pass right here, and then we have to provide the Stripe secret. Alright, so I imported it from like this, and I'll use it like this. And after that, as the fourth argument, we have to pass a lambda expression. All right, so okay, so this is a fallback function, which means this happens only when there is no subscription active. All right, so and also this must return a boolean, so I'll return false just for this. And to interact with the user, I'll use a JOption pane in this demo. JOption pane dot show confirm dialog, and then as the first parameter, we have to pass a component. So I'll extend the component class to the main class, extends component, and then to access the instance scope, I'll create the constructor, and sorry, not new, silly mistake, and I'll move these lines to here and create a new object of main. Alright, so now we can pass this as the first argument, and then the message is do you want to purchase a new subscription? Alright, and then if you have worked with Java AWT, you'll probably know that the yes button returns 0. So I'll assign that value to an integer variable, exit code, and then in here I'm returning exit code is equal to 0. Alright, so if it is 0, this will return true, and if it is not, this will false. Alright, so as the fifth argument, we have to pass another lambda expression, but this expression accepts a Phoenix exception as a parameter. So we can handle all the exceptions right here. So I'll get the I'll just print the message. Alright, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's run the application. See, because of we don't have a valid subscription, we get our fallback JOption pane that do you want to purchase a new subscription, but for now I'll say no. Now see what will happen. See, the package itself closes the application. Alright, so now I'll rerun the application, but this time I'll say yes to that dialog. Just give it, okay, so I'll say yes. Now see, the Phoenix platform even open the checkout page. Alright, so you don't have to do anything other than integrating Phoenix to your application. Alright, so in this case, I'll provide some dummy data like gg@gmail.com and some test card details like 4242 and a future date like 6/25 and this, and the cardholder name Vishnu Kalhara, and pay. So this will take a minute. Okay, so we get the success message, subscription issued, and all we have to do is just restart our application. Alright, so I'll restart the application, and here it is. We get the success message. Yep, that's pretty much it. So if you work in the standalone domain, make sure to check out the platform. It is 100% free and open source. And if you have any developer friends, make sure to share the video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.